We are now going to do exercise 8. In this exercise, you have to listen very carefully because I am going to say a word with a PH diagraph that says f, and you will have to say it with me and then write it down saying the word again. So this is going to be a lot of practicing listening and then pronunciation of the PH diagraph words, and also sharpening your writing skills by writing the word down. So let's begin with your first word. Your first word will be photocopy. Photocopy. Now you say the word with me. Photocopy. Now in number 1, write down the word photocopy. Say it again as you write it. Photocopy. Number 2. Physics. Physics. Now say the word with me. Physics. Physics. Now write it down and say the word again. Physics. Physics. Number 3. Phantom. Phantom. Say the word with me. Phantom. Phantom. Write it down. Phantom. Say it as you write it down. Phantom. Very good. Number 4. Phoneme. Phoneme. Say it with me. Phoneme. Phoneme. Now say it again as you write it down. Phoneme. Phoneme. Very good. Next word. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Now say it with me. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Now say it again as you write it down. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Very good. Next word. Phobia. Phobia. Now you say it with me. Phobia. Phobia. Now say it again as you write it down. Phobia. Phobia. Very good. This number 7. Phase. Phase. Say it with me. Phase. Phase. Now say it again as you write it down. Phase. Phase. Very good. Number 8. Photo. Photo. Now say it with me. Photo. Photo. Now say it again as you write it down. Photo. Photo. And the last one, number 9. Phrase. Phrase. Now you say it with me. Phrase. phrase. Now say it again as you write it down. Phrase, phrase. Very good practice. Remember, every time you say the words, you are practicing your pronunciation and you're getting closer in your steps to success. Good practice. See you soon.